welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, go ahead, hit that button below if you have not yet, so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. Also, make sure you are following me on Instagram, because even though I'm on here once or twice a week, I'm on Instagram every day. So today I am doing a review, swatching, trying on the new Huda Beauty. Okay, y'all underestimated me. Hold up. I am going to do a tutorial on the new Huda Beauty palette, which is the new nude palette. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I was gonna get it. This is the packaging. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. If you open it up, you got all these very pretty shades. You have matte shades, shimmer shades to swatch so beautifully, and two pressed glitter shades, which is a reformulation of some colors that was in the rose gold palette, I believe. I'm not gonna give you all my opinions right now because I want y'all to watch the review. If you want to see how I got this look, my opinions on the palette, all that good stuff, that juicy stuff that y'all want to know, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. I feel like I say this all the time, that I'm excited about launches and reviews, but this takes the cake. So today we will be reviewing the new nude Huda Beauty palette. She's so cute. I have not opened this yet. I have not touched it. And now we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we're working with. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it on my arm so y'all can see the payoff on my skin complexion. Let's see what we're working with. So this is Bare, Crave, Play, Fantasy, Love Bite, Spanked, Lace, Daydream, Tickle, Excite, Infatuated, Kinky, Concealed, which is a concealer color, Secret, Tease, Raw, Charmed, and Teddy. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into a look. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet. We're just gonna, me and you, honey, we're just gonna go at this together, and we'll see what happens. Based on the swatches, these colors are not as bad as I thought they were going to be, as far as, you know, as brown women, we look at these palettes, especially one like this, and we feel like, but they actually swatch pretty nicely. So I feel like it's just a matter of knowing exactly what you want to do and making it work for you. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye. I'm not gonna prime my eye super light. I'm gonna go in with my regular Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in deep, you know, normal, regular schmegular, you know. And mainly because I know that, you know, some girls who do not wear makeup all the time, y'all ain't about the, you know, concealer life. Let's prime the eye and do the stuff, you know. Yeah, I got time for that. And I get that. So I wanna keep it as skin flesh toned as possible so we can really see this color payoff. All right, let's go ahead into Love Bite, because I think that's what I want in my deep crease. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that into my crease, and let's see what we can get with that. Okay, that is a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. So yeah, let me just go ahead and finish pressing that into the crease and blending that out. And you know what, we're doing a halo eye today. I just felt the need to do a halo eye. I feel like my last video was a halo eye as well, but you know, it's fine. It's all good. Okay, so I feel like this pigment cannot be denied. Like, girl, this is bomb. We're gonna blend this out. We're gonna blend it out. It's fine. Everybody calm down. It's totally fine. I'm gonna take a cleaner brush and I'm gonna go into Spanked. Let's see what that does to just blend out. Okay, so you see how just blending that out, it kind of just makes it more of a gradient situation. We got a lot going on right now, but it's fine. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there, I promise. And for those of you who do care, we are experiencing just a little bit of, not fallout on the face, but kickback on the pan. If you dip into it like that, it does, you know, little kickback. Ain't no big deal though. Typically when we have like matte colors and you blend them out, they kind of disappear. This is not disappearing, but I do want to like go back in a little bit, just pat a little more color like towards the inner part of where my halo is gonna be. I think we all were there and saw what was going on with the whole, you know, concealer thing of a concealer being in this palette, which is very, I guess, I personally would prefer to have another color there, but you know, I understand the innovation of that. And that's totally fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use that to cut my crease for my halo. And let's just see what happens there. I'm gonna dip into concealed. And let's see if we can create a cut crease. Okay, this might work. So I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my halo in the middle. And I'm gonna take a clean brush just to go ahead and blend that out on the sides, just to make sure that we're all blended for our halo. So from there, we are going to choose our colors for our halo. Cause these colors are just so pretty. I know I wanna use Daydream. And if you look at Daydream, swatch it for you guys right here. That's so freaking pretty. And that's Charmed. Right here it looks gold, but now it looks like a rose gold type of feel. We are gonna go into Kinky. I'm gonna go ahead and place Kinky on the outsides of my, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna place Kinky on the outsides of my halo, and then let's see where we're gonna go from there. Like seriously, do y'all see this? I'm gonna go back into Love Bite with my small brush and just blend out the edges. So I'm gonna spray my brush first, you know, and we are gonna go ahead into, let's go into Daydream, and let's put that in the middle. Y'all just don't understand all the looks that I'm about to create with this palette. Like, y'all just don't get it. You just don't understand. You just don't understand. Well, I kid y'all not. It's not just because I love pink, and it's not just because this is my first time reviewing a Huda palette. People be hating on Huda, but this palette is beautiful. These formulas are beautiful. Nothing is patchy. Everything goes on so smooth, and like it's just beautiful. Like it's creamy. I kind of want to go into Infatuate a little bit, just to dust slightly over my halo area. So let's see if we can do that. Ever so slightly, just a little bit of glitter. That's all we need. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see that glitter, but it is popping. I am gonna line my eye. I do want to bring a little bit of a wing to this, so I'm gonna use my Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Liner, and then I'm gonna put on my lashes. So I like my reviews to be nice, short, and sweet, and to the point. So I'm just going to slightly mention what I'm doing to my face real quick so we can get to the under eye and finish off this review. So for foundation, we're using Cover FX Blurring Primer, honey, because we need to be blurred. The pores need to be blurred, okay? For foundation, we're going into MAC Studio Fix Fluids in NC50. And I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. And I know y'all see my struggling beauty blender. Don't act like y'all beauty blenders be all together all the time now. Y'all know things happen, especially when you wear really long nails. You know, it happens. I ain't no shame in my game. Yeah, it's been bitten off of. It's all good. It still works. It's all that matters. For concealer today, we are going to go into ColourPop, and that is in the color Dark 46. Then to contour, we're going into Fenty Beauty Match Stick, which is in Espresso. We are going to set with Miss Laura Mercier today, and I'm running out, so let's see what we can get out of this. And I'm kind of just pressing the powder into the skin. And for bronzer, we're going to go into this MAC Skin Finish bronzer, and I don't even know if this is skin finish, but it's amazing. Go ahead and spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus, just because I want to make sure everything is like goes together and blends and melts together. And we can move to the under eye. Okay, y'all, hold up. Trying to eat my quesadilla. It's fire. Alrighty, so for our under eyes, we are going to, matter of fact, y'all want to get a little closer? Let's get a little closer. Yeah, that's better, y'all. What's good? Under eye, let's go ahead and do our insurance first of all, because I almost forgot. Not giving me any fallout yet, but let's not risk it. So under eye, we are gonna go back into the deep purple color, but first I kind of want to make it an ombre situation. So let's go into Tickle first. No, let's go into Lace first. Lace, and let's see what happens when we put that on the lower lid. Now that is a very light pink. However, we're really doing this for the ombre effect, you know? And then we're gonna go back into Love Bite, and we'll line that up against the lash line at the bottom. This wig is being extremely disrespectful right now. Did you see me trying to work? Jeez. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. And then I'm going to put on my mascara, and this is the IT Cosmetics mascara that came in the October Boxy Charm. It's called the Superhero Mascara, and it is the bomb. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush off all of this extra powder, and we're gonna highlight it up. So today for highlight, I am going to mix my Shayla by ColourPop Pose with Bowman, and we just gonna make this a whole shiny situation. So the gloss I'm gonna use today is the Shayla by ColourPop Gloss in Drippin', and this was with her birthday collection. And we're done. Hold up, almost done. I literally always forget that I need to spray my face. This is my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. All right, now we're done. All right, babe, so this is the finished look. My final thoughts on this palette. Let's just be completely honest. I was not completely sure at first. When I saw it and she did the whole video on it and put it on Instagram, it looked real light for ladies that look like me. It did. Okay, gotta be honest. However, y'all saw the swatches, so I gotta put them up on the screen again. They look good. Now, you gotta know how to work with it. I get it. Gotta know how to work with it. It's not for everybody, I get it. But it's beautiful. It is $65 if you won't spend them coins. I feel like it's for women who like makeup. And if you're like a girl like me, you a little bougie, you like to have your shimmer and you like to have your pinks, then this is the perfect palette for you, hands down. I think that is gorgeous. It's like, do y'all see this hair wash? Get a girl her props and stop hating on Huda, girl. I see you. You did good. If you guys like this video and you like this tutorial and you like this look, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. I do respond to all of my comments, so let me know what you think down below. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. I see you, girl. You know you want to hit it. Just go ahead. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. You can go back in with a look. I hope you guys, which is cool. So I'll go ahead and curl. What? Everything glows on everything out the edge. I'm about to die. Oh Lord, I'm making a mess. I am making a mess. Nothing new there, Maya. Nothing new there.